Hi all, it's Froggy Friday. Right, so today I've got these pretty blue mylar flakes because it is, when is this video going out? Oh yeah, Boxing Day. So, party time. Now I'm going to do the toes and I'm going to use a mix of silver glitter and opal flakes just in the toes. I'm going to do that with UV resin. I've already got his eyes in because they're round eyes, or they've got round pupils, so it's just a case of popping them in place with some UV. You don't need to mark the backs or anything because obviously they don't face odd directions. My little stick. I'm getting distracted by cat. Not the usual one. This is Shorty having a funny 5 minutes. Get down. Since spent half my life saying get down to cats. I think that'll be ample. Probably too much. Yeah, that's too much. It's gone. I'm going to have to add a little more UV resin to that. Oh, good grief. Stop falling over. Quite a lot more UV in there because it's currently very, very gloopy. And cold. Very cold. And these opal flakes do tend to thicken it up as well. I think we're nearly there, but I'm going to need a little bit more UV. I have something to do with it. Any leftovers, of which there will be quite a lot. I'm using the resiners UV for this one. It's a little better. Still very thick and gloopy, but I think that will do for what I want. It's just to fill the toes. Yeah, and that stick is too big for doing what I want to do. Scrape that off and just use my favourite little stick, which is falling apart now. I'm just going to put this into the toes. I'm going to do that for all the toes, and I'll cure this up under the UV light. It shouldn't run very much because it's so thick. Last one's very fiddly, so it's so much smaller than the others. Right. Okay, so that's full up enough. I'm going to cure this, pop the leftovers into another mould, and I'll be back in a sec. See you soon. Okay, the toes are cured. So now it's time to mix up some resin, but for that, I'm going to need my gloves. Magic gloves. Right, I have got 110 grams of resin pro transparent mixed up here. It's very cold. It's been through the debubbler 3 times and it's still full of bubbles. I'm just going to have to work with that now because there just isn't time. So, blue mylar flakes. Packet I should have opened before I started. Probably put a little too much in there, but it'll be fine. It'll be fine. In it goes. It's very, very thick and gloopy. I'm just hoping that it's going to settle and not leave too many bubbles. I know I'm going to get quite a lot trapped under the neck there and probably under the back legs. But that is something I can deal with as and when. Oops. I may need to mix up a little more actually. Thought this was going to be enough with the flakes in. But by the looks of it, no, it's not. Not going to be far off. Guide it round into the legs and up to the feet. Yeah, I'm going to have to mix up probably another, I don't know, maybe 20 grams is going to be enough. It's a bit annoying, but how irritating. So very little short, but no matter. I will go off and do that. Pop the machine on, and I'll be back in a couple of hours. See you in a bit. Hi all, it's demoulding time. No, I didn't make up any more resin, but I did pop a couple of bits of rubbish pieces that didn't work out, obviously. Just to use as filler in there. Just to top it up. There we go. Okay, it's going to need a bit of tidying up on the toes. It's not too bad. Just a little bit of light trimming here and there. You know, I watch people do this online. I'm thinking, just turn it over, but I can't. I have to get the big bits off first. Right, let's see. Oh, pretty. Quite bubbly, though, with the, as I suspected it might be. She's okay. But obviously, party time. She needs a bit of bling. I got these strips of, hopefully they're on strips. They usually are. Yay. Pinch the last two off there. Very cute. And a bit of ring. Stuck it to my finger. I'll stick them down properly with some glue later, but just for the purposes of the video. But I think, obviously, because she's off to a party, I think she needs eyelashes too. Move these out of the way for a second. Just got a little bit of old silicone mat. I tend to keep old ones and chop them up. Come on. Get that in there. Get that just in the right place there. I'm going to have to hold that for a second. And it's moved, but it's okay because it's stuck. I'm going to do the other one. I will be right back. See you in a sec. Okay, so eyelashes are on, and I've given her some more jewellery. She's got a bracelet, an ankle bracelet, and another ring. But I've dashed off because I wanted to actually find lips. What? Party frog needs party lips. Oh, come on. Upside down. No, 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 no. Oh, for goodness sake. I'm not doing too well with this, am I? She's not drunk yet, so the lips have to be reasonably straight. Getting party ready, not... It's not sticking, is it? I'm just going to drip a little bit more glue on there and hope it stays put. Here we go. He has her lips. But also, Diva needs crown. Shame I don't have any silver lips really, but no matter. I don't think that's got enough glue on there at all. Nowhere near. I should have used UV resin to do that, shouldn't I? I will probably put some UV on there just to get it to stay in place. Because if I turn this up to show you, it's going to fall off. Yeah, that's going to need a bit of UV resin. Hope you enjoyed the video. Check out the rest of the Froggy Friday playlist. Please give us a thumbs up. And I will see you all for the next one. Bye.
In the dragon's cave, the magic's hand made every pore and paint a memories laid, from glittering streams to colors that rave. Find your calm, your spark in the dragon's cave. Crafting keeps me steady, crafting keeps me sane. Every drop of resin is a dragon's flame, shaping little wonders, nothing's ever the same. Come along and play, ignite your name. In the dragon's cave, the magic's hand made every pore and paint a memories laid, from glittering streams to colors that rave. Find your calm, your spark in the dragon's cave. In the dragon's cave, the magic's hand made every pore and paint a memories laid, from glittering streams to colors that rave. Find your calm, your spark in the dragon's cave.